how to cut or trim a video in Instagram story before uploading it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can cut or trim a video to upload on Instagram story. Well, if you're willing to upload a particular video on your story, then it'll automatically upload the first 1 minute of your video. You can't trim it, you can't crop it like you can do it on Facebook. Well, here is a quick trick to it. What you can do is you can open up Instagram, right? Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now here, instead of heading over to the story upload option, you want to head over to the post option, and what you can do here is you can select the video to upload, right? So you can select the particular video and tap on next. Now here on the post section, you want to tap on edit video, and now here you can trim it to the part that you wish to upload. So once you trim it, what you can do is tap on the arrow icon at the top left and then tap on save. That you can see the download icon here on the screen. You can tap on download and you can download it. Once you download it, you can discard this post, tap on start again, head back, and this time now you want to head over to the story section and you can go ahead and you can upload the trimmed video. Now Instagram doesn't allow you to cut a video on the story option, so you'll have to do it on post, or you can use any other apps as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.